out, and thought I'd come down, cool off, and chill out.
Okay. What's your favorite part of the beach?
The favorite part? I'm not sure exactly. I like all the parts combined. I like the experience of the beach.
Woken up and here I am, all too fast to understand. All the way across the sea, thinking that's you and me. In my life will never be so free, we're so far away from me. What a pleasure all this is. I take it all away. I take it all away.
My name is Maria. I'm 42.
Okay, nice to meet you, Maria. What brings you to the beach today?
What?
What brings you to the beach today?
What?
Why are you at the beach today?
Because the ocean beach is my favorite place
Okay.
in San Francisco, I suppose.
Okay. What do you like about the beach?
Oh, I think it's awesome. Because of sun, birds, people, dogs. I like